आरोग्यम परम भाग्यम स्वास्थ्यम सर्वार्थ साधनम vanam samrakshe nityam tatra pranam jivanam. The translation of this shloka is that health is the supreme fortune, and by preserving health and nature, we preserve the very breath of life. Namaste. I am Anshika Kefte, a 13-year-old student from APJ School Kharghar, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. India is the land where yoga was developed thousands of years ago, not just as a practice, not just as an exercise, but as a philosophy of the mind, body, and soul. Our ancestors practiced yoga on simple natural leaves that always kept us close to the nature. And thus, yoga was never meant to be performed on plastic. But a problem which we all face nowadays is that most yoga mats are generally developed of PVC or other synthetic materials. These damage our environment and even cause discomfort during practice. Rubber mats are not fully biodegradable and wear out quickly, while cotton mats absorb sweat and definitely lack cushioning. In short, existing mats are either harmful to the nature or uncomfortable to use for us practitioners. And this discomfort pained me. How can the pure practice of yoga, of India's timeless heritage, be placed upon something that pollutes the very earth we call our mother? And thus, Fibel was invented, the sustainable banana fiber yoga mat. Banana fibers are naturally more absorbent, which helps in maintaining grip with support. This yoga mat offers durability and cushioning as well. This aligns with the eco-conscious consumer trends. The dimensions of our newly developed product include the length of 183 centimeters, the width of 70 centimeters, with a thickness of 0.8 centimeters. Not only is this a single layered mat, but it includes 3 layers. The top layer of our yoga mat is soft and skin friendly with an anti-slip surface, developed from banana fiber textile with plant-based micro-coating to mimic a luxurious vegan suede finish. Micro grooves are also provided for traction. The base layer would provide ground grip and stability. It's prepared from the compressed banana with coke layer underside. This newly developed mat is dual-sided. One side is super soft for yoga and stretching, while the other side is textured for HIIT and Pilates. Fibel is designed for a wide range of users, from children who are starting to do yoga to elderly practitioners who want to maintain their health with support and fitness. At the end, I would like to say that Fibel doesn't just support your body. It supports a future where wellness and sustainability lie hand in hand. Thank you.